Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you the most delicious, traditional, 1,000 years old recipe from Greek cuisine. So today we are gonna share you a recipe of tzatziki sauce. Guys, if you like our videos, please don't forget to click the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So let's see what do we need for this. So I will start with olive oil. Here I've got extra virgin olive oil. We are gonna use 4 teaspoons in total. Then we are gonna need 2 cucumbers. We are gonna need 6 tablespoons of yogurt. Then we are gonna need apple vinegar. I have separated. Here I've got 1 tablespoon and here I've got 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna use them in separate places for that reason. Then we are gonna need black pepper and a little bit of salt. Guys, we are trying to use not much salt, so that's why we put very little. If you want, you can use more. Then I've got here dried mint. Then I've got dill and 2 garlic. Then we are gonna also need 1 bowl. First, we are gonna start with our cucumber. I peeled off the skin of the cucumber, then I cut it with a grater. Once you've done that, you add your apple vinegar, 1 tablespoon on top of it. Then you add here your salt and black pepper. Then you take spoon and mix that up a little and leave the cucumber so it can have the apple vinegar in it, and leave it. After that, we have our yogurt. Here I've got 6 tablespoons, all right? We're gonna add here our dried mint, and then we are gonna add our 2 tablespoons of apple vinegar. We are gonna mix them up. Guys, when you are mixing, make sure that it becomes creamy. In order to make it creamy, you just mix faster, all right? And then you will have the result. Guys, when your creamy mixture is ready, then you add your dill. You just cut them in very thin layers. Then you are gonna add your minced garlic. Then you mix them all together. At this stage, guys, if you want, you can check the taste of salt and spices. If you would like to add salt, you can add at this stage, all right? Guys, once you've done mixing, you add 3 tablespoons to your sauce. 1, 2, 3, okay? And 1 more tablespoon you are gonna add later. Then, so guys, remember your cucumber mix. You are gonna mix it once again. By this time, they're already ready, so you're gonna have to skim it, all right? If you don't have this type of skimming thing, then you can also take cotton fabric, and you can do the same with the cotton fabric. So I'm just gonna make sure that all the water will be out here. You've skimmed all the cucumbers water, then you're taking the mix and you're adding to your sauce, and then we mix them all Guys, now we are adding our last tablespoon of olive oil, and then we are mixing this once again. So guys, once you've mixed this all, now it's ready for you to serve it with chicken, with any type of dinner that you've prepared, or you can serve it with a salad even. I'm gonna try it out. Delicious, juicy, good spices. I can feel the black pepper, I can feel the dill. Yummy. With one word, it's yummy. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button. If you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you to have a nice day. Bye bye.